Good morning, children. I'm Savita ma'am from Sanskriti School. Children, I think I can hear a small baby crying outside. There's a small baby lives next door. Babies are like that, yes, no? Even you were a baby. And that reminds me, children, did you ask your mom that when you were very small, what and all you used to do? Did you see your photographs when you were a very small baby? And I also spoke about five special sense organs that opened when you were born. Do you remember them? Yes, I'm sure you remember because you all are very good listener. Thumbs up to you, children. So I spoke about those five sense organs, right? Which helps you uh, learn and know and feel everything that is around you, right? I will not repeat them again. I am sure you know them. The five organs: your eyes, your ears, nose, and your tongue, and your skin, the touch, right? So, children, apart from those five organs, how else do you function? Come on, think and tell me. Look at yourself and tell me. These five organs help you know many things, right? You can feel, you can taste, and all that. But there are many other body parts of you who helps you do many things, who helps you function, every day, do many things. So we all know that. I think we have learned them earlier and you know it, but we'll still do it once again. So let's start from our brain, right? Our computer, right? So how the computer works, children? Our brain also works like a computer, okay? So, but can you see it? No. So children, there are some organs, some body parts which are outside of us, right? Like for our arms and our hand and fingers and our stomach and many other organs that is outside. We can see them. But there are many organs, children, which are inside us. You can't see them, right? You can't see them. They are inside you. So for example, your brain is inside your head. You can't see your brain, but your brain is very important for you. It thinks for you. It takes all the information from the sense organ and it just may help you function every day. That's your brain, and many more are there. Let's quickly see what are the other body parts that helps us to be who we are. Okay, so this is done. Then our all sense organs we know. Then our neck, children, it helps you look here and there and move your head from here and there. That's your neck. And then something which helps you hold your school bag. What is it? That's your shoulder. Yeah, that's correct, your shoulders. And then this is your arm. Help you reach to something and hold it. Your hands, your fingers and your thumbs, right? All these. Then what else? Then your chest. Oh, your chest is very important, children. Inside your chest, you have two lungs. They are working tirelessly. Not just lungs, children. There are all the organs that are inside you which you cannot see. Children, they work without stopping. They never stop working, just like the sun. Sun never stops shining, right? The same way, the organs which are inside you, they're always working. They never get tired. Oh, that's really nice to know because you feel tired sometimes, you sit down, but inside organs are always working. So in the same way, the lungs, the two lungs, they help you breathe, right? Yes, the lungs. So this is your chest, and inside your chest you have two lungs. Now, children, the food that you eat goes from your mouth, and there is a pipe here, the food pipe, right? And and the pipe is connected to your stomach. There is one more pipe, children. There is one food pipe and there is one wind pipe. Two pipes like that, food pipe and the wind pipe. When you breathe, the air goes through your wind pipe and goes to your lungs. And food goes in the food pipe. But you know, children, sometimes when you are eating and you are talking a lot and you are laughing, or when you are traveling in the bus, when the bus is moving and you eat or drink water, you know what happens? The water or the food goes inside your windpipe. And then what happens? You know that. Then suddenly you start coughing so much because your lungs do not want anything inside it other than the air. So it pushes the things out. So how it comes out? When you cough. That's why the teachers, mommy, daddy and the ties in the bus say don't eat or drink when the bus is moving. Now you know. Now I'm sure you will not do it. Right, children? Okay, so the food that goes through the food pipe, it goes into your stomach, your tummy, and now your tummy start working. It digests all the food. Digest so well. It takes all the goodness from the food. The food has so many vitamins and minerals and all that good things. It takes everything inside, and then whatever is waste, it remains there. Now it has to come out, children. How you keep yourself clean? You have to keep your inside also clean. But how that happens? So now you have some more organs. They are between your legs. So they help keep your body clean from inside. So when you go to toilet, everything comes out. The whatever waste is there. Yeah. Oh, no need to feel sad about it. It's very important, children. Yes. So then what else? You have your hips, which helps you sit comfortably, and then you have two legs. They make you run and walk and play and whatnot. Then you have knees, which you can bend. Right? You can climb on the ladder, and your knees helps you bend your legs, because then only you can climb on the ladder to slide down, right? So your knees, and then your feet. I can't show you my feet, but I'm sure you know that your feet and your toes. Oh, all those are our different body parts, children, which make you what you are. They help you do so many things. Without them, it's very difficult to function, to work, to do many things. Okay, right, children. So as I told you that there are many body parts, and I thought if we can sing a song to remember. Do you want to sing a song? There are many songs, children. I think you must be knowing those songs, like when you are happy, when you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy, when you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy, when you know it, and you really want to show it. When you are happy, when you know it, clap your hands. This is one song, and this is such a nice song, children. You can keep adding different body parts in that and sing that song. I can't sing the song full now because then I don't have time, right? So this is one song you can sing, and there is one more very nice song, children. It's about it goes like this. I will quickly sing that song. Hands by your side. What is this, dear? This is my computer, mummy, my dear. Computer, diggy dinky doo. This is what I learned when I went to school. And this way, children, you can keep adding more body parts in this song, right? I will quickly show you. I will in the end, how will you sing? When you come back to school, children, we are again going to learn this song. But just for you to learn now when you are home, just pay attention. Hands by your side. What is this, dear? This is my computer, mummy, my dear. Computer, eye blinker, nose blower, loudspeaker, eardrummer, chin chapper, chest beater, bread basket, knee bender, diggy dinky doo. This is what I learned when I went to school. Yay! Was it fun, children? Yeah, singing song is always fun. Yeah, but yes, bachas. Huh? So you can learn these songs when you are now at home, and when you come back to school we are going to sing them with more fun, because then we will have so many of our friends together and it will be more fun, right? So very soon we are going to have that fun, children, right? So that's all for today. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.